Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 TFSIe Black Edition. This lovely A3 is finished in the striking Python yellow. Which produces 201 brake horsepower. This A3 is ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish without risk of fees or fines to pay. To the front of the vehicle is a set of LED headlights designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter the driving conditions. The vehicle sits on a set of 18-inch alloy wheels in a black finish. These beautifully complement the exterior finishes of the vehicle. Also adding to the modern finishes is the privacy glass that is fitted to the rear windows, not only enhancing your privacy within the vehicle but also adds to the sleek modern exterior. To the rear, you'll find a set of rear parking sensors that work in unison with the reversing camera, designed to make parking and manoeuvring your vehicle a doddle. Opening up the tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space for anything you may wish to take upon your travels, despite the small size of the vehicle. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats with a folding down armrest designed to enhance the comfort of your rear passengers. The outer of these seats can fit with ISOFIX. There are also charging points in the back. The front seats are manually adjustable and come with 4-way lumbar support designed for perfect comfort no matter the journey. Seats also come with the S logo embossing and a SONOS Sound system. This vehicle is equipped with 2-zone climate control, which can be easily adjusted in the front via the buttons. The front seats are also heated, perfect for keeping you warm on chilly mornings. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen which allows you to control the DAB radio, mobile phone connectivity which includes use of both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a navigation system. As you can see, the screen is incredibly easy to use and allows you to easily get from A to B whilst on the move. Once reverse is selected, the rear view camera will appear upon the screen, allowing you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle, no matter how tight the space. This vehicle also comes with Park Assist, allowing you to park and unpark your car at just the touch of a button. In front of the driver is the flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, which allows you to control the music, cruise control and your Audi virtual cockpit. Here you'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity and DAB radio system, alongside your navigation system, allowing you to easily use your sat-nav function whilst on the move. This vehicle also comes with a head-up display which projects important information such as your speed and the speed limit at eye level onto your windscreen, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road as you travel. That concludes our 360 walk around of this Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.